Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be doing a GemPages Shopify page builder tutorial. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the search bar up here and then search in GemPage. What this will do is allow you to go and download the actual GemPages builder app. So it'll bring you to this app, and then once you have downloaded it, you can go ahead and select a pricing. So there is a free option with only one published page, and yeah, we can choose from all of these options. So go ahead and choose the one that you need that applies to you the most. So the first thing you need to do is go to here and enable GemPages, and then it will be added and displayed properly in your theme. So go ahead and refresh it. And then here we can select from and customize some pages. So I'll go onto pages here, and here we have some different options to go ahead and choose one. I'm just going to go onto pages, and then here we can either select some pre-built templates, but today we're going to start from scratch. So go onto here, and then here we're going to select what kind of page type we want to create first. So there'll be different types. So go ahead and choose the one that you want to do. I'm going to go do a home page. So if we click on a section here, you can see this hero section where we can use some presets and place them onto this page. Or if you want to do everything individually, you can go ahead and select from layouts, in which we can select different ways in which it will be laid out here. So what we do, we'll go back onto sections, and here we can obviously choose different types of sections. So we have product details, brand lists, trusted guarantees, seller guarantees, product breakdowns, how to use, social proof, and we have many different presets depending on what we want to create within this specific page. So I'm just going to be doing a main page that's promoting one item. So go ahead and choose one of these. So for example, this one, we click on it, drag it to the section here like this, and then you will see it's been implemented here. And also as a preset, if you go up to here, publish settings, you will see that you have the option to use Shopify theme headers or Shopify theme footers. So footers are at the bottom and Shopify theme headers will be at the top. So if you select these, then that means that you need to go to Shopify store and do it here. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and use the Shopify theme builder and footer, theme header and theme footer, you can keep these selected. So here we have full customizability over the whole section. So if you go up to here, click section, you'll be able to see all of the information here. And you can change, for example, the borders. You can choose different layouts. And if you click into specific headers, we can go here and we can click here, select the location which we want the text. We can change the colors, we can change the images that we are using here. For example, browse gallery, go here, press add new, and you can go ahead and select from your gallery, from your personal device. If you want to modify text, we can highlight it, and then you will see all the options here where we can change different aspects of the text style. So change the fonts, change the style and font here. We can click on a button, we can either duplicate or delete it. We can change the colors here. We can add an image to it if we want. We can change the shape and borders of the outline, etc. So yeah, we can change all these aspects. You can give it a shadow if you want, and change some other options. And then down here, we can go ahead and add more layouts and sections. So we can choose templates, add blank section. So go ahead and do that. And then we can go to an element here, drag this here, or we can go ahead and use one of these and drag one of these here also. And that will create a new window here. And so here, if you have products linked from Spotify already, you can press add product and they'll be linked up here. So if we go onto the library here, we can see all of these sections and templates that they have that we can choose from, which is very handy. And we can go ahead and search here, for example, map. We can go ahead and select this, and you'll see the draft here. Then you can go ahead and insert section here, and that'll be down at the bottom. If you want to delete sections, we can go here, go down to delete element. So clicking an image will allow you to go into here and edit this. So this is the hero banner. This is included in one section. So if you want to change this, you can go into here and change the parameters. So for example, if you want to move the text, this will move it. Image, here we can change the image. We can change different aspects. We can add videos and we can change the background color. So yeah, just to drag, all we do is just drag around things and place them wherever we want. So we can do this. I want this to be in the middle to make it a little bit more central. Here we can change the fonts of anything. Here we can put it in the middle, so a line, and we can do the same thing here. And here you can put any information, any address information, etc. And here you can go ahead and choose more blanks and layouts, sections, etc. to build upon this. Then you can press preview page here to preview your publishing. So you can see how it's laid out on different devices. So we have mobile, etc. And we have full screen mode here. So go ahead and make sure they all look good through the different types. And you can select from different types of phones here also. Obviously, this is just a demonstration, so I'm not going to put too much detail on making sure my book web page looks beautiful. I'm just showing you how to do things so you can go ahead and do them yourself. And the final thing, once you want to publish it, you press publish up here and then press skip and publish or publish. And then this will publish the page on which you can view online. Then yeah, that's the basics really, guys. I've showed you how to do everything and how to build the basics. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.